Mr. Fingers, for that warm invitation. So I think we have so many invitations in our kitty that we have to start planning it right away. We have to start planning it right away, that where all we want to go. So yes, thank you very much for your kind words, and of course, heartiest congratulations to the Golden Messi India team for such an amazing milestone. Let's have a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And now, after those encouraging words by our visionaries, it's time for some celebration, honoring the trailblazers who are actively pushing the boundaries of this industry. We now begin the Innovative Awards. From over 50 exceptional entries, our esteemed jury has selected the top 10, all of which you can experience at the Innovative Showcase Zone at Anuga Select India. From this elite group, we will now honor the very best. I request our dignitaries to please remain on stage to present the awards. So let's begin with the second runner-up. This award recognizes the company for its outstanding approach and forward-thinking product. To do the honors, may I please request Mr. Milind Dixit to kindly step forward, and Mr. Gopal Chakrapani, Innova Market Insights, to also kindly step on stage, please. Mr. Gopal Chakrapani. And now it's time to announce the second runner-up. And the second runner-up goes to Balance Corp Company Limited. Let's have a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. If I can request the team from Balance Corp Company Limited to kindly step on stage. The center. Congratulations. Thank you very much. So, I have to say this, that Mr. Gopal Chakrapani, who's from Innova Market Insights, thank you so much for being the evaluating partner. Let's have a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for this immense support. Thank you very, very much, sir. Congratulations. Next up, now we move on to our first runner-up. Sir, if I can request you to please. Thank you. May I request Mr. Bastian Fingers to kindly step forward, and Mr. Gopal Chakrapani once again to take center stage. This company has demonstrated exceptional creativity and market potential with their innovation. And the first runner-up for the Innovative Award goes to Jumson Black Ginseng Co. Limited. Can I request the team to kindly come on stage? It's your moment of pride and victory. So if I can request the team from Jumson Black Ginseng Co. Limited to kindly step on stage. On behalf of the team,
Smile
we have
on your face.
Thank you, sir.
Smile, please.
Congratulations to Jumson Black Ginseng. Thank you very much. And ladies and gentlemen, finally the moment we've been waiting for. This year the jury was so impressed by the groundbreaking work at the top that they have decided to award the first prize jointly, which means we have a tie, to two truly exceptional companies. So to do the honors, if I can request Her Excellency Zozo Binti to kindly step forward, ma'am. And His Excellency Labani Gyon to also kindly step forward. And in the tie, the first prize goes to Premium Muruku Co. Limited. Let's have a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. If I can request the team from Premium Muruku Co. Limited to kindly run to the stage. On behalf of Premium Muruku Co. Limited, thank you, sir. goes to Flourish 88 Co Limited. Flourish 88 Co Limited. If I can request His Excellency Mr. Ahmed Al Almari to kindly step forward, sir. Mr. Milind Dixit once again, sir. And Mr. Gopal Chakravarti also to do the honors for the winner, Flourish 88 Co Limited. If I can request the team, if you're in the audience, please run to the stage. Once again, on behalf of Flourish 88 Co Limited, thank you so much, sir.
Smile, please, smile.
Thank you very much. We have a very interesting and the announcement that we all have been waiting for. One quick picture.
ये बात